Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from AIB to Revolut in 2025. With banking tech evolving rapidly, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're topping up your Revolut for travel, investments, or everyday spending, transferring from allied Irish banks, AIB is a breeze. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your AIB and Revolut apps updated to the latest 2025 versions. This ensures you get the smoothest experience with any new features, like enhanced biometric security or quicker transfer times. Step 1. Open your AIB app and log in with your credentials. If you're on a desktop, head to the AIB website and sign in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center in the dashboard. Step 2. Select the option to make a new transfer. You'll need to add Revolut as a recipient. Enter the Revolut account details, like the IBAN or account number, which you can find in your Revolut app under Account Details. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to send. In 2025, AIB might show you real-time exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies, so keep an eye on that for the best deal. Add a reference if you like, then hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID, whatever your security settings require. Step 4. Sit back and wait. Transfers from AIB to Revolut typically take just a few minutes, but always check your Revolut app to confirm the funds have arrived. If there's a delay, don't panic. Contact AIB support through their in-app chat, which is super responsive these days. A quick tip. Watch out for any transfer fees. In 2025, AIB offers fee-free transfers for certain limits, so plan accordingly to save money. And remember, always use secure networks to protect your info. There you have it. That's how you send money from AIB to Revolut in 2025. It's straightforward, secure, and empowers you to manage your finances like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.